Students, next let us see full wave rectifier using an op-amp. This is the circuit given in figure 3. You can study this circuit and see how it performs full wave rectification. Suppose here at this terminal we have input voltage Vi as shown in this. A sinusoidal input is given and we are having this resistance R, this one also R, this one is R2, this one is also R2, and this one is R2 by 2, that is half of this resistance. So if we use this circuit we can achieve full wave rectification. Let us see how. For positive half, this is positive, so at this terminal also we have positive, so this will be negative because we are amplifying inverting terminal, so this will be negative. If this is negative, then this diode D1 will on, and if D1 is on, the voltage at this point and this point will be same, that is Vp is given by minus R by R into Vi. This R and R is same, so Vp is given by minus Vi. So this potential at this point is minus Vi and potential at this point is Vi. So now we will see what happens at the op-amp 2. At this op-amp, the circuit, equivalent circuit is given by this figure number 4. So you can see this is just like an adder. So let us use the equation of an adder. Then V0 is equal to minus of R2 by R2 into Vi, R2 by R2 into Vi plus R2 by 2 into this minus Vi. Simplifying this will become Vi, this will become minus 2 Vi. So the resultant is minus Vi, and again here is also minus, so it will be plus Vi. So for positive half cycle, we will have V0 is equal to plus Vi. So whatever is given in the input appears at the output. Let us see what happens in the negative half cycle. In negative half cycle, we will see voltage at this point Vi is negative, so at this point we will have positive voltage, and if this is positive, then diode D2 is on and D1 is off. So if this is off, then potential at Vp is same as this, that is 0. So Vp is 0, and therefore Vp is 0 because this V1 is 0, that is at this point. Now if this is 0, then this is also 0. Voltage at this point is 0, so only this circuit will act, the outer circuit, and our equivalent circuit will become for the second op-amp is given by this figure number 6. In this case, V0 is equal to minus R2 by R2 into Vi, that is V0 is equal to minus Vi. that is what is given in the input, its phase is changed by 180 degree. So this negative half cycle also becomes positive half cycle. So in this way the full wave rectification is achieved by using op amp.